Hey there, ShareFile users. I'm going to show you how to add an upload link to your email signature. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see on your dashboard the option to request files. From here, you can choose the location that requested files will be uploaded to. The file box will be selected by default. If you would like to change the upload location, click the Edit button and select the desired folder. Select Get a Link. The most important step outside of choosing the upload location is choosing your access options. You have three options. You can access the link, when will the link expire, and whether you want to be notified when files are uploaded. It's most common to at least require name and email address. Set the link to never expire and enable notifications so you receive an email when files are uploaded. Click Copy. For today's example, I'll update my email signature in Gmail. Navigate to your email settings and look for Signature. Paste the link somewhere in your email signature and use the hyperlink feature to embed the request link. And there we go. We've successfully added an upload link to your email signature. Don't forget to click on Save Changes. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to all the awesome ShareFile tips. Until next time, happy sharing.